Dr. Sola John is a versatile coach and mentor who has helped diverse groups of professionals and entrepreneurs to achieve transformational results along the spectrums of career and personal development over the past 15 years. His uncanny ability to bring the best out of people has earned him a place as a consultant and expert guide to businesses of various sizes, faith-based organizations, schools, non-profits, and leadership teams in the development sector. Some of his recent engagements include a training and coaching project for returnees to Nigeria sponsored by the German government through the German Agency for International Cooperation, GIZ. Dr. Sola John has built an excellent track record of providing comprehensive solutions in the areas of leadership crisis, change management, and emotional intelligence. His knack for producing exceptional results has endeared him to clients across Nigeria and other African countries. He is also a leadership and organizational skills development trainer, conference speaker, and workshop facilitator with significant experience in conflict management and public service delivery. His commitment to continuous improvement and lifelong learning is evident in his portfolio of relevant professional certifications across various fields ranging from emotional intelligence to career coaching and neuro-linguistic programming, NLP. Sola John holds a PhD from the Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria. He is the chaplain of the Chapel of Abundant Life, College of Aviation, Zaria.